Predispose my soul to tides that ebb and flow. I'm the one the ocean chose to stay. Salted air, my skin is blessed with sunlight prayers. Head to toe in lace, ribbon. Oh, July couldn't stay, it was already near.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we?
We are at the rec. I had to open this morning. It's 7:43, and I've been here since 5:45. So.
Yeah. It's a beautiful morning, obviously. I think I might walk downtown actually. For those of y'all who don't know, Boise State University's campus is quite literally in the middle of Boise. So everything is very, very walkable. Alana came up to Boise last week and introduced me to what a flat white was, and ever since then my life has been changed. I sort of went through a phase on semester at sea where I just drank black coffee straight, and that was the closest I've gotten to being adventurous and kind of going outside of my comfort zone. And then the second I came back to the States and got off the ship, I went straight back to my lattes, matchas, chais, all that jazz. Don't get me wrong, I still love a good matcha, but the flat white is where it's at, and I feel like I am adulting every single time I drink this. Only thing really going on for my agenda today is I'm recording music with Jose around 2 p.m. We're working on a new summer song, which you actually already heard, believe it or not. It's the song that was running through the background while I was at the gym, and I wanted to make a song in honor of The Summer I Turned Pretty season 3 coming out. If Jenny Han ever used it in like a trailer, or if she announces that there's gonna be a season 4, I would absolutely die if she even just heard it, let alone used it. But also it's just a fun summer song and had so much creative freedom and enjoyment making it. So yeah, that's the song that we are gonna record and hopefully finish final vocals on today. That would be very ideal. Today is Friday, and next Thursday I'm going back to Austin, Texas, literally for like one day, because from Austin I'm flying to New York, and I'm going to New York with Griffin. Griffin's my boyfriend, for those of y'all who are new and don't know. He's in the Air Force and he only gets 8 days off in the summer, and 4 of them we are using together. That's gonna be so much fun. I already have my Google spreadsheets made, obviously. You guys have already given me so many great recommendations over on my other social accounts for things that we should do, places we should eat at. I'm a huge foodie, so please, please, please drop some food recs below. I love everything.
I will eat anything.
Besides nuts, avocados, pineapple, shellfish, you know, everything I'm allergic to. Before I even go back to Texas and before I even go to New York, in 3 days, I'm gonna be driving up, taking a little road trip to McCall, Idaho. I'll be doing a 3-day girls weekend with both of my girlfriends named Kaylee. They're both actually named Kaylee. McCall feels like the Lake Tahoe, but of Idaho. I guess Coeur d'Alene and McCall could be considered that, but it's so magical. I love taking people there anytime they come and visit, and Kaylee's boyfriend Charlie has a house up there, so we're gonna be staying up there. Yes, a lot going on, but I missed you guys. I missed picking up the camera, and I finally have had the last couple of days to chill, get myself back into a routine, and I have been loving going to the gym and lifting weights. I don't know who I am, I don't know what happened to me, but I used to be the biggest hater of lifting weights. I think I'm entering a new era.
Awesome.
I need to get the strawberry cream cup and the mini chocolate cup, okay?
Thank
Give me
you.
1 second on that.
Guys, I got Cafe Zupas. Every time before we record, I always bring Jose food because I appreciate him so much for putting up with me. And today's choice is Cafe Zupas. I'll do a whole food haul, but if you don't know, they have like the viral chocolate strawberry cups, and they just introduced one called strawberries and cream, so I got that for him.
Strawberries and cream.
Thank you.
And here's the chocolate style.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a wonderful day, all
Yeah,
right?
you too. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited. Also, let's talk music, because I feel like it's been a while since I've kind of talked about this. I went full throttle into music when I first started my YouTube channel. I was like 14, 15, and as I was getting really into music, I realized that the industry is full of sharks, And so it kind of honestly pushed me away from it. I got really burnt out by it. And so that's why I took a long break and then sporadically like maybe released music here and there. But ever since I moved to Boise and I met my friend Jose at church, I realized that recording music does not have to always be a horrible experience with people who just take advantage of you or where you have zero creative freedom. And so I've absolutely loved recording with him. Us also having the same faith has made it a lot better, in my opinion. Oh boy, this is gonna be a lot to bring in. Oh, also I'm bringing him these chips because I'm allergic to avocado, and I hosted a 4th of July party and someone brought these, but I will literally die if I eat them. So Jose, these are for you. I think I'm gonna take like 3 trips or maybe ask him for help.
Morning!
Hola!
What's up?
Hi!
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Oh,
Can't forget my laptop for writing.
thank you so much.
You also get to choose. This one's the new strawberries and cream, and then
Strawberries
this
and
is chocolate.
Hey, yo, what's the deal?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I don't know if you ate lunch, but
Whoa!
yeah, they didn't give utensils, so let's
Oh,
do
okay.
that.
What y'all working on?
I want to finish the summer song.
Okay.
I'm like obsessed with it.
I've heard worse. That is really nice. Okay.
You know what? There's gotta be something.
There are some good pieces out somewhere.
Lordy help us all. Guys, I literally had a freak out moment. So I was recording music on this mic here. I literally made Jose leave. Like,
She kicked me out of my own studio.
like, what did you do? Tell them what you did.
Oh, well, she brought this little what was it?
The strawberries and cream cup.
Yeah, strawberries and cream cup, and I was like, oh well, I might as well just eat it while she's recording. And so I did a whole lap around the neighborhood, and I came back and she was still like deleting and re-recording vocals.
I think I did like 40 takes. But here's the thing, I just get really nervous whenever I have the mic here and I have to just sing. So we've learned and realized that it's much better when I just hold it and then I hold my laptop and then I can just
Yeah.
get that. So
I actually do get better takes when you just hold it like that rather than on this thing. So,
really?
yeah.
I came back inside to my house to get a quick sip of water, and y'all, my candle smells absolutely amazing. It's fruity cereal flavored and it's made by a small business. Her name's Bella. The before of it had little Fruit Loops in it. I'll insert a picture, and it was divine. Still smells divine, and she's almost done burning. Okay, craving some water right now, so we're gonna take a little glass out there and I'm gonna finish editing. Is that my neighbors? I got new neighbors and they're actually pretty cool. But you can hear everything through these walls, so that's just great.
D&D on my phone. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album, should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes, zip codes. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me down. Blew through an album, should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip codes, zip codes. I'm driving these roads